Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to make monkey in Infinite Craft. So let's get started. Take earth from the list and put into field. Then take water and put into earth. Now you get plant. Then take plant from the list and put into plant. Now you get tree. Then take tree from the list and put it into the tree. Now you get forest. Then take forest from the list and put into forest. Now you get jungle. Now again go to other side. Take plant from the list and put into field. Then take wind and put into plant. Now you get dandelion. I noticed, I mistakenly make Sunday. You don't need to make it. Just make jungle and dandelion and combine. You will get monkey by combining jungle and dandelion. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.